Hello, I'm Noble Ackerson. Hello, Austin. I'm Noble Ackerson, founder and CEO of LynxFit, where we enable healthy lifestyles through the help of wearable computers. Let's talk about fitness. Calm down, it's hard. It's hard for the beginner who shows up at the gym to confusing equipment, lack of guidance, intimidation from people staring at us. It's difficult and costly for those of us who opt for professional help to find out the hard truth. Personal trainers are expensive. I mean, $75 an hour for someone to tell me to get up and do a push-up? I ain't got time for that. It's also a trend now to take the matters in our own hands, to download apps for fitness and purchase wearable computers. We find out that wearable devices by themselves don't do enough to motivate us. And with apps, they're a little distracting, having to look over a second screen just to see how much time's left or log your workout. We can do better. We are downloading apps at historical rates. I mean, 1.4 billion downloads for fitness apps in app stores. We're also spending historical numbers. We're also purchasing large sums in wearable devices for fitness. We are taking matters into our own hands. We are changing how we work out. The trend is obvious. Fitness apps are here to stay. At LynxFit, we aim to capitalize on this trend. We are creating software for wearable computers like Google Glass to transform these devices into intelligent fitness coaches. There will no longer be interruptions, no second screen, just you and your fitness goals. Fitness software, which makes it a better way to work out, a fun and immersive workout experience. And using artificial intelligence, we're guiding and coaching you. We're making your workout a little bit more interactive each step of the way. And you can do this wherever you are and whenever you want to work out. With LynxFit, you don't just track your progress, you stay on track because that's what matters. You subscribe to a content library, either free or premium fitness content, in whatever category you're interested in. You schedule, and we help prioritize your fitness goals by reminding you. And when you're done, you share with your friends to help get that feedback loop so you can get back out there. If you're an athlete, your coaches or trainers. If you're recovering from an ailment, perhaps your physical therapist. Let's talk traction. This summer, we're launching a couple pilot programs, one of which is at James Madison University, where the soccer team get to go home and prepare for the upcoming season. They work out, and for the first time, their trainers and coaches get to look and log their progress. The quantified fitness is now group fitness quantification. We get to launch, actually just a couple days ago, 48 hours ago, we launched on the Google Glass App Store. We're honored to be one of 10 featured apps on the Google Glass App Store out of the entire App Store. We're humbled by that. Before then, we had a beta program that had over 1,000 signups. Oh, by the way, back to that App Store, within the last 48 hours, we've had over 500 signups, which tells us that even Google, listing us as a featured app, believes in what we're trying to do. But we're not hardware, we're hardware agnostic. We had over 70% of our signups as returning users who come back and keep working on workouts that they've subscribed to. We work with our competition, and that's what makes us different. Because as we leverage other APIs and platforms and hardware devices and apps, your workout becomes better. Our team makes up over 50 years in experience in product leadership. We're one of the first Google Glass developers out there, and we're also at the bleeding edge of other technologies like the thalamic meal. I bring 15 plus years running successful businesses and some marathons here and there. Cecilia builds sports simulators. And Mauro is our machine learning expert who makes that workout experience more challenging for you, whether you're walking or you're doing a Tabata workout. And Trevor is our fitness scientist. He makes that workout experience safer and more fun and gives us a little bit more variety as if you have your personal trainer with you. And if you're willing to try this out, please check us out right there at that booth. We are LynxFit, and we're here to change how you think about wearable computers and fitness. Thank you. Yes, question. Sorry, I was going to.
Who else are you going to, if you're hardware agnostic, who else are you integrating with? It seems like Google Glass and Fitbit.
Yes, we have the luxury of working with a lot of different partners. Like I said, Thalmic Neo, it's has a whole bunch of sensors on there. And we understand that that's not a sort of interface for the face. So we actually work with the Chromecast platform, where you can actually send the video from your workout to your TV and still get that virtual coach, where you hear the motivation and all the activity just like you would if you had the Google Glass experience.
What do you think of as your fundamental structural competitive advantage?
We are, again, hardware agnostic. We go where you want to work out. We understand that there's a trend with wearable computers and that there's going to be competitors in the market. It's not just going to be Google Glass. So we are trying to be where you are. If it's a specific type of app you like to work with, we're actually working with a company in Temecula, California called SyncMetrics, so that when you log on to your LynxFit page, if you work out with Strava or any other of our competitors, you'll see a holistic view of your activity right there. And we actually use that data to give you pi, right? Your pace, your intensity, and your endurance. So as you earn your pi, we're actually pulling in additional data points from heart rate monitors to give you a better standard of workout. I'm sorry? For the last year, completely self-funded. We've been bootstrapping it.
Do you have any idea of what mission subscriptions, what's that?
Very good question. It's a freemium model, so they're going to be free workouts from the entire library, and also the minimum would be $5 based on, and the price is based on what type of arrangement we have with the content provider. We're actually fortunate enough to be talking to one of the world's largest music to exercise fitness providers called Les Mills International, and they do the body pump. I guarantee in your gym, they're in that room that you probably go to or just avoid. But it's found money for them, and we think it's very, very powerful for them.